Welcome to Etchcut. We are manufacturer of tri-ply cookware nano etching technology. In this video we will explain the manufacturing process for tri-ply honeycomb cookware. Here are some more applications this technology can be used for. Stainless steel hot pots. Steel serving trays. Let's look at how honeycomb designs are made on tri-ply cookware. The setup shown in the video produces 500 to 700 double-sided etched tri-ply circles per day. Create the vector design using any graphics software and then print it on transparent sheet or prepare the positive film. In order to etch double-sided, you will need 2 films. Step 1. Masking ink should be applied to the tri-ply circles by spraying them with ink using a spray booth. The booth used in this video is 48 x 48 inches in size. Step 2. After spraying the stainless steel tri-ply circles, place them in the oven to bake. In this video, we are using a hot air oven measuring 39 x 39 inches. The third step involves placing the transparent film over the tri-ply circles and placing it inside the exposure machine. The honeycomb design will be transferred to tri-ply circles here. The equipment shown in the video is a rapid exposure 25 x 35 inches. A new nano exposure technology will be unveiled in Frankfurt, Germany, which can expose more than 4 times as much as the rapid exposure machine. See you there. During the fourth step, after exposure, the design is not visible until the tri-ply circles are inserted into the developing machine. After developing the honeycomb design, the tri-ply circles are developed and rinsed on an automatic conveyor machine. During this process, the design will be visible on the surface. Here are 2 types of honeycomb patterns that are commonly used. There are 2 types of design, nano and basic. Nano is a very high-precision design intended for export markets, whereas basic is designed for domestic markets. If you wish to achieve high-precision etching, you should invest in nanotechnology. In step 5, you will need to etch the surface using an etching machine. Here on the screen you can see a nano machine as this customer bought 1 nano machine for high precision sampling. And for production he chose a basic automatic conveyor line. Following the etching process, rinsing is also performed on a continuous line. As a final step, the ink is removed from each circle using a stripping machine that also rinses them automatically. The honeycomb circles are finally ready for nonstick coating. Now, let us quickly review the entire setup, which is capable of producing between 500 and 700 circles a day. Warranty and service. German-made polypropylene sheets are used for making the machine. We recycle scrap and convert it into plastic granules. Machine parts are made from German materials since the sheet manufacturer in Germany offers a 25-year warranty on their products. As a result, our spare parts has very rare damage. Having our own tool room, we are the only etching machine manufacturer to make 82% of the parts in-house, which not only bring the cost of spares down, they are never out of stock. That's the most important reason how our machines are still functioning after 25 years. In the video, you can see 2 types of technologies. 1. Etching with nanotechnology for high precision. 2. For domestic market applications, you can use basic etching technology. The cost of setup depends on your daily production needs. This video shows an automatic system that can produce 500 to 700 tri-ply double-sided circles per day. If you only want to design one side of the circle, production can be doubled. Also, we have a small machine setup that can produce 100 to 200 circles a day. To receive a quote, please provide us with your circle size, daily production requirements, and company details at info@etchcut.com. Etchcut machines are currently available in 28 countries worldwide. For pricing of machines or to locate the distributor in your country, please email us at info@etchcut.com or send us a WhatsApp message at +919 8100 52956. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel if you would like to see more videos like this.